How to list on Google, add location to Google. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to list hotel on Google. So first, you must have your Google business account. And then after that, you have to log in and then click this 9 dots. As you can see, this is my Google business account. Next thing to do is you have to click this 9 dots right here, and then you have to locate a maps. Now click maps, and then here what you're going to do next is you have to search or add the name of your hotel right here. Now basically you can't see that because you haven't added this, so you have to look for the closest place, or let's just say the area where your hotel is located. For example, this one right here. What you're going to do is you have to right click and then click add missing place. Here you have to add your hotel name. You have to enter the information needed. So you have to basically add information right here. You have to enter this category, hotel, and then add the address. After that, click submit. So how your edits are used, you can read this one, tap OK, and now you are sending in. Thanks for improving Google Maps. What you're going to do is you have to click a done and wait till you receive an email from them. And after that, you just have to simply read the result if they have confirmed your new place added here on Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.